All right. I know you were tardy, but I'm still going to take care of you real quick.
Thank you, Judge. I was scrambling for my Zoom
I know
ID.
you were in the wrong ID there. Woodall and Hobson, no answer?
No response.
All right, thank you. Peyton, let me get you under oath. Ma'am, any testimony you give today, do you solemnly swear affirm that testimony will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. What are we looking for today?
Your Honor, we did reset
There's a
this
reset.
and hope.
Yeah.
Yes, we were hoping that Mr. Hobson would pay his balance in full. Unfortunately, he did not pay. So we are moving forward. This is a non-payment of rent case pursuant to written lease. Lease was signed January the 31st, 2026. Monthly payment, $2,020. Rents due from May of 2026 through June of 2026.
Peyton,
Total amount of back. I'm sorry.
hold on one second. He's logging in now, so he probably like you got the wrong deal. Y'all probably trying to log in on the old one, so hold on one second.
Cody Hobson.
Yes, sir.
Cody, is Rayleigh Woodall with you also?
No, sir. I am actually headed to my hotel right now is on fire. I'm out of town for work. I'm currently headed back to try to get everything out of that hotel.
Okay. If you could get pulled over for me and get your shirt buttoned up since you're in court.
What? I tell you what, hold on a second. Where's your hotel at?
I'm here in New Jersey, sir. I travel for work. Hold on.
I know you travel for work, but if you got an emergency and there's a legit emergency.
Yes, sir. It's a legit emergency.
All right. Peyton, just hold on a few minutes. Cody,
Okay.
keep going to where you're going. How far out are you from your hotel?
I'm about 15 minutes.
All right. You can get onto your hotel real quick. I want to see flames. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Peyton, we're going to wait a few minutes, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Mm-hmm. Cody? Cody, can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see me as well? It's very laggy for me.
I can see you. Can you flip your thing around and show me some fire trucks?
Yes. Where they have the road shut off right here, my hotel is right here. They've got it completely shut off to where I can't access it right now. I had to run over here to this road to show you. We've got one official right here blocking it off.
Okay, so if you can't go there to that hotel, you're being restricted, then we can move forward with court. So if you'll move to a shady area, someplace where you're safe outside of that barrier, we'll proceed with this eviction suit. All right. So Cody, you're still under oath from the prior court hearing. Peyton is here again here today. She has stated to the court that they are wanting to move forward. So Peyton, you said the rent on this unit was $2,020. And what is current unpaid true lived up rent, unpaid rent?
Yes, Your Honor. Total amount of back rent due is $4,040. That's for May and June. The notice was mailed May the 20th, 2026, both regular and certified mail. And we're asking for possession, back rent, and cost of court.
Okay, that's not prorated to today's date because we're not at the end of the month, ma'am.
Okay, let me prorate real quick.
Thank you.
For you.
I did that math pretty quick, didn't I?
You did. Okay, so $3,703.33.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, Cody, the court granted a continuance in this case to allow you the opportunity to settle the debt in reference to the unpaid balance. I know in your prior testimony you stated that I guess the young lady that was living with you decided that she no longer wanted to remain at this residence. She's been taking money from you and using it for her own needs and not taking care of business. However, your name is on this lease as well as Rayleigh's. So can you help me out on this, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, I can. Like I said before, I work out of town currently, and I'm always on the go. I'm lucky to be home for 3 or 4 days. So like I said, I did send her that money. She did not pay. She used it to move out, her own thing. whatever. That being said, for the money for AMH, the current residence that I'm at for 1013 White Marlin Drive, my employer is able to give me the advancement they need for the money, which I already have some of my own money saved, but they're able to cover the cost of what they need. They're giving me a $3,000 advancement while I have a $1,200 in the savings. So that rings around $4,200 for me that I have to give them. My only problem being is I'm in New Jersey and the advance was on a paper check. So however I can get them the funds, however we can get this taken care of, I would like to, but I also like to go ahead and see if there's a way I can move out of the property and still pay them as well.
Well, I mean,
Your Honor, at this point, our clients advise us to move forward. However, if he does pay this balance, we'll always file a release of judgment with the court. And then any agreements, move out, pay or stay agreements, we just advise him to reach out to his landlord post-judgment at this point.
So I'm trying to get it to where I just want to pay what they need paid and keep this from being an eviction on my record on my end. But I would like to no longer reside at 1013 White Marlin Drive either.
Peyton, anything else?
No, Your Honor, it's we gave him 2 weeks to pay, and unfortunately, I can't give him any more time. We have to move forward, but like I said, he pays that balance, and we'll file a release of judgment to release that judgment on his record.
Okay. Cody, anything else you want to add?
No, sir, other than apologies for how things went this way, and I'd like to get you guys taken care of, but I can only do what I can do being so far away from Texas. I'd like to get things taken care of so where it's not so much of an eviction on my record. I can still pay the fees. I've got the money. It's just I don't have any way to get it to you right now. I'm all the way up here at work. I can go when I get off work, if some place is open, to get a cashier's check and then mail it. I can do that. But as far as, me coming there right now and delivering a check or cash, it's really hard for me to do.
I mean, believe it or not, the United States Postal Service is still good when you send something certified or express mail that they won't lose it. But in reference to the suit today, they do have the right to possession of the property. Okay. They are right. This court did grant a couple of weeks for y'all to get things taken care of. I didn't expect to be back in court. I thought this matter was going to be disposed of, but it's not. With that being the case, they do have the right to judgment today for the right to possession of the property. Current true lived up rent is $3,703.33. However, there might be some other fees or an amount that they're seeking, which is the $4,040, which is the month of May, month of June total rent. We're not into July yet, so your July rent's not due until July the 1st. Is that right, ma'am? Or 3rd?
Correct, Your Honor. Yes.
So, which is coming up very quickly. So get this matter taken care of, a release of judgment. Once the payment is received, they will file a release of judgment. It doesn't remove an eviction judgment against you, but it shows that the amount has been paid, which actually helps out for persons who have eviction judgments, because a lot of them are never paid, and that's why they have a hard time getting new leases for apartments.
Sorry, Your Honor, I didn't mean to cut you off, but that was my main concern right there, was being able to move it.
If this was paid for today's date, she made a motion to dismiss, wouldn't be a matter, but this is the nature of the beast for not being able to take care of the situation before this court date today. In reference to Rayleigh, I know that when Ms. Rogers sends the judgment to the court, it'd be for both parties in this. But she will also have a eviction judgment against her as well, not just you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. May I be dismissed?
You may, sir. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor. And that's all I have today. May I be excused?
You will. You may. And Cody, I hope that the fire is nothing that's damaging to your personal property. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. If there was a fire, because I don't think there was a fire. I didn't see no fire trucks and smoke. All right, with that being said, then I'm going to go ahead and adjourn court and everybody have a great day.